Howdy, I'm... As your host today, I'll be preparing a common human dish. Corn dogs. The ingredients needed are yellow cornmeal, all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, white sugar, baking powder, milk, vegetable oil, beef sausages. A single egg! What, huh? The